if you've got one of these, in a little bit of time, I've got 3 apps that you can use with your smartphone to start putting cash in your pocket today, and you don't need anything else other than a smartphone. So if that sounds good to you, then stick around and watch this video, because again, I've got 3 amazing apps that you can use to start putting cash in your pocket today with your smartphone. What's good, people? My name is Wilkins and welcome back to the channel. Like I said, I've got 3 amazing apps that you can use with your phone today to start making money online and start putting money in your pocket. So with that being said, let me go ahead and get the disclaimer out the way. These phone apps will put money in your pocket, but they're not going to make you rich. You're not going to make thousands of dollars with these apps. These apps are basically good to put a little bit of extra cash in your pocket. Maybe you need gas, maybe there's a bill coming up, or maybe you just want to have fun for the weekend. These apps are great for putting cash in your pocket in a quick amount of time. These apps are legit, they've been researched, and they have tons of reviews. And yeah, these aren't any of those BS apps where you're, doing a whole bunch of nonsense and not getting anything for your time. So with that being said, let me go ahead and jump into the first app, which is Rakuten, whatever, however you say it. If you've never heard of this app, it's essentially a cashback app. When you use this app to spend money and buy things from from the major brands and companies that you buy stuff today, you'll earn cash back. The way this works is that companies and brands pay Rakuten to drive traffic to their websites and their products, and when people purchase through Rakuten makes a bunch of money from it, and then they pass this on to you as the person actually using their platform to buy these products. Okay, so you figure if you're already out here, you're purchasing from some of these places like Walmart and Target, your favorite restaurants or hotels or whatever the case may be, right? If you're already spending the money, why not make some money back, right? And Rakuten is great for that, okay? But another way to make money with Rakuten is through their affiliate program, okay? So you can also earn extra cash from sharing your Rakuten link with other people, okay? And when they use the platform and they purchase from places that they're already using, all right, you'll earn a chunk of that as well. And it's just a great way to put money in your pocket, whether you're spending money or you're sharing the platform with other people and they're spending money. So the second app that I have for you today, this is one of those apps where if you like listening to music, then this is the one that you definitely want to check out. With Slice the Pie, you get paid for listening to music, okay? And the way this works is that you have these big label companies, these big music label companies that will pay platforms like Slice the Pie to get feedback on certain genres, artists. Basically, what these companies are looking for, or they're looking for the next song, or the next genre, the next artist that's going to get viral, that's going to go viral and draw a lot of attention. Okay, so they use platforms like this to get feedback from you. Okay, you tell them the type of music you like listening to, and they'll play they'll play music in that genre, and okay, you give feedback. Okay, whether you like the song, you like the artist, and they'll go ahead and they'll take this information back to these music labels, okay, and they can make a better decision on which artists or which music genres they should be pushing. Okay, so again, this is another great app that you can get paid from. And app number 3 on this list today is Productto. If you've ever wanted to be a spy or secret agent, but you just don't fit the cut, this is... Okay, so it's nothing like that. So the way Productto works is they'll have these projects, and these projects can go one of 2 ways. Either they'll have you go into a retail establishment, they'll have you look for certain products, Okay, and once you find these products, they're going to ask you questions about how it's placed or how it's displayed. Okay, what's your experience actually finding the product? And you fill out these questions and you provide either a photo or a video. Okay, and once you're done with it, you submit it. And once you submit it, they'll pay you for it. And the other type of project is companies generally want to know how you feel about certain products. So if you have that product already in your household, okay, they'll ask you to make a short video, pretty much just explaining your experience with that particular product. It could be cereal, it could be coffee, I mean, it could be a whole range of things, soups. Okay, it doesn't always necessarily need to be food. It could be a hair product or a toothpaste. It could be anything really. But they'll ask you to shoot a short video and basically just explain your experience with that particular product. Either way, with whatever project that you decide to take on, it shouldn't take any longer than 10 to 15 minutes at max. On average, you can get paid anywhere between $3 and $12 per hour doing these tasks. And I would say the only downside about this type of app, it's not really a downside, but they're pretty random and they send random things. Maybe a downside would be the type of area that you live in. If you're in like an inner city and you have like a lot of stores around, you may have better luck finding different types of projects as opposed to somebody who lives in a area that doesn't have a lot of stores or anything around. Alright guys, so that's all I got for today's video. I just wanted to throw some quick apps out there that you can use right now to put money in your pocket right now. And again, these are legit. Alright, so that's all I got. Guys, if you found this video useful, please smash that like button and let me know in the comments down below if you're actually going to use any of the apps that I mentioned today. And also guys, if you're looking for a way to make passive monthly income online, check out my #1 recommendation down below. It'll be the first link down in the description. Guys, share this out with others. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.